Our brain is one of the most complex and fascinating organs in our body. It is responsible for everything we do, think, and feel. In this video, we will explore the different parts of the brain and their functions from cerebral cortex to the brainstem. The cerebral cortex is the outer layer of the brain, and it is responsible for complex cognitive functions such as perception, language, and consciousness. It is divided into 4 lobes: the frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, and occipital lobe, each with its unique functions. The frontal lobe is responsible for executive functions such as decision-making, planning, and problem-solving. The parietal lobe is responsible for processing sensory information such as touch and temperature. The temporal lobe is responsible for processing auditory information and memory formation, while the occipital lobe is responsible for processing visual information. Beneath the cerebral cortex, we find the limbic system, which is responsible for regulating emotions, motivation, and memory. It includes structures such as the amygdala, hippocampus, and hypothalamus. At the base of the brain, we find the brainstem, which connects the brain to the spinal cord and is responsible for vital functions such as breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure regulation. It is composed of 3 parts: the medulla, pons, and midbrain. Each part of the brain plays a critical role in our daily lives, from simple tasks like breathing and sensing to complex processes like memory and decision-making. And while there's still much to learn about the brain, we have made significant strides in understanding how it works and how we can improve its function. Our brain is a remarkable organ that is responsible for everything we do, think, and feel. By understanding the different parts of the brain and their functions, we can gain insights into our own behaviors and emotions. And by studying the brain, we could develop new treatments for neurological and psychiatric disorders and improve our overall quality of life.